We believe that in the future, everyone will ride an e-bike. And as North America's largest electric bike brand, we don't think it's a matter of if, we think it's a matter of when. The e-bike movement has been growing fast, and Rad's been leading every step of the way, designing e-bikes that are easy to fit into your daily life, versatile enough to take on any task, and so unbelievably fun. But we know that before more people adopt the e-bike lifestyle, they need riding options that they just can't resist, like our 2024 lineup. This year we're launching 4 radical new models, including massive upgrades to a pair of Rad Classics and 2 all-new e-bike styles that are like nothing you've seen before. Introducing the next generation RadWagon 5 electric cargo bike, the RadExpand 5 Plus electric folding bike, and our brand new models, the Radsters, optimized for either road or trail and available in 2 different sizing options. They boast a slate of new innovations born out of our 17 years of developing electric bikes. That means more torque, more speed, and more ways to stay safe and visible. We've streamlined the style, improved the ergonomics, and added in new colorways that'll keep you looking sharp. They feel smooth, look smooth, and ride smooth. And leading the charge is a new feature built for extra peace of mind. Rad's industry-leading Safe Shield battery. They're UL listed. Each cell is encapsulated by a unique heat-absorbing resin, which can extend battery life and help keep you safe if your battery is damaged by an unexpected event like a major collision. Safe Shield batteries are part of Rad's continuing mission to lead the e-bike industry towards safer standards. Now, working in concert with the Safe Shield battery is a street-legal 750-watt Rad motor. Now, don't let its soft hum fool you. You could say it's the strong silent type, emphasis on strong. We've equipped it with more power for faster hill climbing and a torque sensor that responds to the way you ride. When you pedal harder, the motor meets the challenge, resulting in a more natural ride feel. And for those of you who've asked Rad for more speed, well, we've heard you, and here is our answer. Electric bikes specifically engineered to reach up to 28 miles an hour while sustaining a stable, confident ride feel. With the RadWagon 5 and Radsters, you can easily toggle between Class 2 or Class 3 when you need to pedal faster on the open road. And across the lineup, our new models are outfitted with hydraulic disc brakes for smooth stops, built-in turn signals for greater visibility, and a brighter headlight to help you see and be seen. And with a wide range of accessories designed in-house, there are hundreds of ways to customize each model for a personalized riding experience. The e-bike revolution is going strong, and there's never been a better time to ride Rad. I'll see you out on the trail.